All right, so what is it exactly?
1965 Pontiac Tempest.
The truth is,
what is up, everybody? My name is Dane Thompson, and welcome back to another episode of Burndown. So today, what we are gonna do, we're gonna take the Malibu, we're gonna jump in and drive it over to Ontario, where there's a gentleman named Reid, and he has a set of cylinder heads that I'm gonna slap on this, along with a whole slew of other things before LS Fest 2019, which is coming up here. Last time I checked, it was like 40 something days. It's probably less than that. It's beginning of May, and I've got some big plans for this thing, and we're gonna put a grudge race together, and we're gonna go have some fun. And I think, don't hold me to it, but I might even drive this turd all the way to Vegas, because last time I failed, this time we need to succeed. So I'm gonna get a set of cylinder heads today from Reid, and Reid has a really cool car that is right up my alley. It's similar, reminiscent of this kind of build. It's a sloppy style build. It is a turbo car, and it is wonderful. So I want to show that to you guys. We'll get all the specs and details run down. First things first, I have to clean the battery terminal so the car will start when I want it to start, and then we'll head out, we'll get rolling. So let's do that. Let's get out of here. All right, believe it or not, I already cleaned that. So let's see the show rock and roll. Are not the most comfortable. I'm gonna have to get like stacks of foam or something before we go to Vegas. And then I realized watching the drag videos that I think it's the passenger side tail light doesn't work. So lots of things to address, but we got some hits to go get, so I won't worry about that until I get rolled, which hopefully doesn't happen. Best part about driving is the Freeway On Ramp.
Are you listening?
Heard the RPMs fluttering because it was only part throttle. So it was probably the blade in the throttle body modulating a little bit because of the boost. Yeah, if we take this thing to Vegas, I think I'm going to stuff some sort of muffler on it and maybe extend the exhaust, just so I don't have to get beat up like I'm getting beat up right now listening to it. So that's actually the least of my worries, because I have a bunch of other crap to do. And exhaust note isn't really that important. What's important is if we go fast and it stays together. Those are the important things. I'm waiting for somebody that's in a real big hurry. They'll give us some gas and we'll watch them disappear. I did that a big old shake ranch. You probably thought my car was gonna fall apart. It's got to be a sight when you see some cruddy ass car that's doing 50 miles an hour and you go to pull around it and you're already booking. He was doing at least 70 plus, and he was coming up quick.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool.
All right, so what is it exactly?
1965 Pontiac Tempest.
Baby.
4.8 liter.
Yeah.
Borg Warner S475.
Okay, so yeah, you have the 4.8.
Yep.
And what's the advantage? Because everybody's running the. Oh, look at that, dude.
The advantage is cost. They're giving them away on Craigslist.
Yeah, what about the stroke though? In the.
Yeah, you get a little more RPM out of it. I get them because they're disposable. I've got a fourth gen over there. And this is a third gen 2000 sludge puppy. So it's held up pretty well. I'll get emotional when it finally dies because, you know, it's been a trooper. But yeah, I don't know. It was kind of just a crime of opportunity is what it came down to. It's just a good deal on Craigslist. Figured I'd try it out.
Dude, this is all homemade, right? Your bracketry for that?
No, I actually bought that, which I'm not proud of.
Why'd you go backwards with the? Why'd you go on?
I think it came down to hood clearance.
Oh yeah, because your hood is.
But yeah, because like the cowl wouldn't really fit. Like I couldn't really cut much more away from the original hood.
And that's a T6.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big boy, dude. I like this.
Yeah, I had to go Mad Max grill with it.
Is this for you? Is this for when it, is that for when it breaks?
Yeah, that's the good luck charm though. Like if you're running that, you won't have to use them.
Yeah, it's for and then you zip tight. I like that, dude. Is that trans cooler?
Yeah, there's a trans cooler behind that. It's not in a good spot. I got another one, the heatsink style, kind of under the driver. You can barely see it back there. My trans guy told me to run that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, finally put this regulator, Earl's regulator in.
Yeah, dude, these things are magical too. These hardline adapters.
Oh yeah, they kick ass.
When I found those, I was like, that is the coolest shit.
G&J?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cliff.
Oh yeah, Cliff. Just immediately I tell him what I need. I think I need something for Ellis. He just comes back with the right parts.
Yeah, and at least you're smart. You got some safety. So you're only set up to do a 10-0, right?
Yeah, it's. I mean,
'cause that's a 6-point.
I don't think I'm even in 11th yet. The tune is just so garbage on this thing. But
Dude, you're gonna be there so fast, it ain't funny. Then you have to put a hoop in. Just a hoop and 2 down bars, right?
yeah, that's it. And the 6-point.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy. I thought building a cage was gonna be a lot more difficult. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's a lot of thrashing, but yeah, the school bus muffler.
Is that what that is?
Yeah, it's the suggested vehicles on Summit said Thomas in Bluebird. But it's 4-inch in and out, and it's quiet. I like quiet cars.
Look how quiet this thing is. That thing sounds good. What cam is it? Yeah. This is the same cam as my car, but with an actual exhaust and a muffler.
A little bit of raw knock starting to develop.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You're a lot better at cruising speed on the highway.
What do you got for oil pressure?
Like 25, 30 about.
They're golden, dude. All right, we got 862s. He gifted to me because he's awesome with some valve stem seals. And then this is more for the retainers. But thank you very much, man. Cool. All right, well, we scored a set of 862 heads, and we're gonna head back home. That's it. Gather a plan, pull this thing apart, and start thrashing so we can make it to LS Fest. Freeway. Oh, pretty gay. All right, we made it back. I got some heads from Reid and my boy. What's up, Mega Plan? Ooh, nice boots. Those are awesome boots.
Yeah, these are dirt boots.
Those are boots. I just want to show you guys really quick too, because every time you probably see me tighten my steering wheel and you're like, why does he have to tighten it all the time? Look it, I just got home. The last time we tightened this was when my son actually helped me watch. Look at, once again. All right, so we made it back home in one piece. I went out and visited Reid, saw his Tempest. He was kind enough to give me a set of cylinder heads. They're actually an 862 casting, which is just a standard run-of-the-mill head. Apparently, supposedly, they're better for boost. So we're gonna strap those puppies on here and do some more upgrades that I'll keep you guys informed with on the channel. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like his car. If you do, you can find him on Instagram at Smog Exempt. I'll put a link up on the screen. Other than that, we're gonna start turning into this bad boy. So keep it locked, stick around. I'm out.